Hello, good people. Welcome again to Learn Kikuyu with I, Teacher Martin. And today we are going to check into hospital context, the words that are used there, and also a few phrases. Okay? Good. Let's start. Oh, can you see all the many words that are here? So below are some names and phrases from hospital context. So the first one is Thakame. You can see it here. Thakame. Thakame. Thakame is blood. Blood. Sorry for my Kikuyu pronunciation, which takes R and R as the same thing. So thakame is blood. Madugumo. Madugumo. Madugumo is urine. Mai, feces. Ruo, pain. Kefunga, muscle pull. Moroaru, patient. That is the sick person. Minoga, tiredness. Okay. Da or ihu, that is pregnancy. Ukorora, coughing. Shidano, needle or the syringe. Divitale, hospital. Dagitale, doctor. Wodi, ward. Koreoneda, stomachache. Kuhohita, constipation. Kuinaina, shivering. Urugare, that is the temperature or heat. Dawa, medicine. Morigiti, physician. Kunuga, smelling. Good. Let's get some phrases. And the first one is Demoroaru. 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 I am sick. Derale oni mutwe. Derale oni mutwe. I'm having a headache. Derale oni da. I have a stomachache. Dabie divitale. I'm going to hospital. Dagitale mwega. A good doctor. Denada. I am pregnant. Nedera haro. Nedera haro. I am diarrheaing. I am diarrheaing. Nedera honire. I have recovered. Nidiranywa dawa. I am taking medicine. Dadie fata. I am going to washroom. Okay, so good. Those are the phrases for today. Thank you and have the best time. Make sure that you subscribe, make sure that you like and share, and also continue commenting, asking for any content, and we are going to share it so that we may continue learning Kikuyu together. May God bless you. Bye bye.